What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you about TECHWEAR. The main goal of this style is to look like a futuristic ninja. Like, look at this dude. If this doesn't scream 3018 to you, I don't know what does. Now, this has been a pretty big fashion trend, mainly on Instagram and pretty much only on Instagram. No one really wears this in public, but it definitely looks pretty sick in pictures. So before we get into the video, you should probably know that this stuff isn't cheap, and alternatives are pretty hard to come by. You're gonna have to go all out in this look if you want it to look good. Now, the best shoe is probably gonna be the Nike Prestos. These are gonna be one of the cheapest options as well. Also, a pair of combat boots can be a great alternative. When it comes to the colors, black and gray are gonna be the best options, and pretty much that's gonna be true throughout the whole fit. Dark colors gives it a more sleeker look, but white is another color that is incorporated pretty well, but it is a bit harder to hide from your crush unless you're living in the North Pole. Cargo joggers are the best pant for the look, but leggings under a pair of black nylon shorts is pretty common as well. And speaking of the nylon, this is a very common material used for most of the TECHWEAR pieces. Like in the jackets, a nylon jacket or windbreaker is going to be the perfect top for the fit. Or you can opt for a black hoodie or a tee to keep it cheaper. But again, this isn't going to look as high quality and as nice. Some good accessories for the look include a face mask, glasses, fanny packs, hats, beanies, and even watches. If you're interested in trying to cop some of these items, the best place to go is going to be Nike ACG and Cloudburst, but I also feel like North Face and Stone Island are some overlooked TECHWEAR brands. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, I hope to see you guys next time.